Hey guys, I'm Shazia from Techno Unboxing, and today I finally got my hands on Apple's newest AirPods, the AirPods Pro 3. Apple only launches this every 3 years, and trust me, this generation comes with some big changes and new features. On the top it says AirPods Pro, Apple logos on the both sides, the model and the serial number on the bottom. And on the back side, you get a quick look at what's inside the box. Alright, let's break this seal, like we always do on the channel. And let's get the other one too. Opening up the box, we are welcomed with Designed by Apple in California. Inside, you will find some usual instructions and some paperwork. And here's our AirPods, but before we open up those, let me show you the ear tips. This time Apple gives you a new foam infused tips in multiple sizes, from XXS all the way to L. So no matter your ear shape, they should fit perfectly fine and gives you the full noise cancelling effect. Now let's take this out. Here they are, the AirPods Pro 3. First impressions, they feel super premium, and you'll notice right away that something is missing, the LED light. Don't worry, we'll talk about that later. On the right side you got the lanyard loop, nothing on the left side. On the bottom there's the speakers and the USB-C port. And on the back side, and yes, there's no button anymore like on the older AirPods. The case is completely clean now. Once you open up the case, you will get this pop-up on your iPhone. Let's tap connect. And we are in. It's asking me to wear both AirPods. Let me put them on and continue. Let's enable personalized volume. This adjusts your sound based on your environment. And conversation awareness, whenever you speak, it lowers your music. I'm going to turn that on. And also the head movement controls. And here's something new. You can now track workouts directly using your AirPods. Not now. And of course, when you buy this, Apple gives you 3 months of Apple Music for free. The AirPods Pro 3 comes with a slightly refreshed design compared to the older models. And now they have the H2 chip inside. They are also IP57 water and sweat resistance. They feel lighter, and honestly the sound quality is one of the best I've ever heard on AirPods. The noise cancellation is crazy. It blocks out almost everything. Apple says it's up to 2 times better than before. Using the stem, you can turn volume up or down. And here's the new heart rate sensor. So if you're working out, it can monitor your heart rate, which means you don't even need an Apple Watch. Great news for people who don't own one. On the top, you will see the multi-port acoustic system for airflow and the in-ear detection sensor. Charging is easy. You can use any wireless charger, and also it works with the Apple Watch charger because the magnets snap it into the place perfectly. Battery life is solid, around 8 hours with noise cancellation on or 10 hours with a transparency mode. And with this case, you get 24 hours of total listening time. It also comes with Apple's new U2 chip, which gives you super precise tracking, just like AirTags. And since the case has a built-in speaker, you can tap here to make it play a sound if you lose it. Because there's no pairing button anymore, you just open up the case and double tap on the light to enter pairing mode. Then you can easily connect it with your other devices. And as you can see, the LED light is inside the charging case. From here you can change all the settings of the AirPods. You can also change the listening mode from here, like we do from the control center. And here we have a lot more options like hearing test. You can also change long press modes. And also there's a lot more options like personalized volume, conversation awareness, and you can turn and off automatic ear detection. You can also turn on and off the head gestures, but I think it's very useful features as we don't need to use the stem. And at the bottom you can toggle heart rate tracking. So yeah, that's the unboxing and my first impressions of the AirPods Pro 3. A lot of improvements, the design, better sound, stronger noise cancellation, definitely a nice upgrade from the previous generation. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me on social media. All the links are in the description below.